Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Manali Raju Rathore. Roll number is MB 2004. Subject is Human Resources Management. College name is SAS Institute of Management Studies. The Human Resources Management first point is the definitions. The employee people developing their resources, utilizing, maintain and compensative their service of fund in job and organization requirement. The quality of HRM. The first is a physical health and address, mental ability to understand, moral responsibility, loyal and self-respect, educational subject knowledge on function, experience, work proper. The second point is what is the HRM? The HRM is a human resources management is a process of bringing people and organization together so the goals of each other meet. The objective of HRM define the organization structure and derive the productive. Human resources management is a method of realizing competitive and drive the effectiveness of organizational work. The second point is a building coordination between organizational departments. The third point is offering employee satisfaction. And fourth point is organizational goal. The human resources management is a feature is the first HRM recruits. The human resources management HRM recruits here people to fill up the vacant positions and organization. The second point is test and interview. HRM takes various tests and interview to select people. The third point is communicate with the top management. HRM there to communicate with top management in helping to formulate strategies to achieve organizational goals. The fourth point is arrange the training. HRM given the arrange the training program to improve the skills of employee. The fifth point of HRM is to evaluate the performance. HRM evaluate the performance of the employee. On this basis, he given the promotion. The sixth point is HRM exiting interview. HRM targets exiting interview when any employee quit the job. The seventh point is the collect various suggestions. HRM is to collect various suggestions from the employee. The eighth point is a help in a organizational top management to implement various techniques. The HRM help to organizational top management in implementing various techniques to help on the organizational to gain help. The ninth point is the arrange various workshops. The HRM can arrange various workshops to increase the knowledge of the employee. The 10th and last point of the HRM is the arrange meetings. HRM arrange various meetings and seminar to discuss the problem that the employee face in the organization. The job analysis is the process of studying a job to determine which activities and responsibilities it includes its relative importance to other jobs in qualification necessary for the performance of the job and the conditions under which the work is performed. Thank you.